So to create a new Google Doc, we first start off in Google Drive. We go all the way over here to the New tab, we click on it and scroll down to Google Docs and we click on that. And it should open up a new blank document, untitled document. So let's start off by explaining each menu here. First, the file, and we can share the document with anybody. We'll explain that later. We can open a new document or spreadsheet or a presentation here or a form. We can also rename this document. So let's do that. Let's name it practice. So file has many options, and edit has a few key features to it. You can undo and redo mistakes. So if you decide to type this long list of stuff here, you go into edit and undo what you had. It'll take out all those mistakes. But wait, you wanted to put those back in, so let's go back into edit and we can redo it and put those back in. Those are very, very helpful for, say, you delete an entire paragraph that you needed there, but you did it on accident and you want to get back. So let's just undo it and it'll bring out the entire paragraph back. So let's go to view. So view, we can show the ruler and we can take away the view of the ruler. So right now we have the ruler on, so let's take it away. So now the ruler is gone. Let's bring it back. And say we have spelling mistakes. This will tell us that we have mistakes somewhere in the document and it'll show up with the red lines underneath. So let's go to insert. We can insert equations. So let's do that. Let's do y equals x, and we can go here to miscellaneous operations and times. We have x times x, and then click to the right arrow and it'll take us out of the equation, and we can go back to normal typing like this. We can also insert drawing, so let's do that. And let's go up here to shapes. Let's do a rectangle. We can draw in a rectangle here as big as we want. Let's go right there. We hit save and close, and it'll put the shape right into the document. So now let's work on formatting. We have different ways of formatting words. We have bold and italics. Let's do that. Let's go back up. Let's highlight this little piece right here. Let's go to format and hit bold, and it automatically changes that to bold. So let's highlight this one now. Hit format and hit italic, and it changes that little bit to italic words. So now let's go to tools. We can use tools like spelling we can use tools to go and help define words. So let's highlight a word, or we can hit define. No results for that because it's not a word. So let's do dog. It'll help us define dog. Let's go back to tools, and we can look for new. We can change how words are spelled. So say you have mistakes in here, you can change it to different things. So we can insert tables, and we can create them as large as we want. Let's go 5 by 2. And say you wanted to create a table with one more row. So put your cursor in the whatever row you want to create the row with, and go up to table and scroll down to insert row below. And click on that. It'll insert a row right below where you had your cursor. Add-ons, these are just extra add-ons that allow you to do more stuff with Google Docs, and once you get more, you can manage these with this button here. In help, we can use this search bar to search different things. We don't know how to find bold, so let's search that. So here we found bold. And once we do that, if we had a word highlighted here, it'll boldface the word. Also, with help, you can report problems that you may encounter. Now, this toolbar allows quick access to things. We can hit undo here to undo actions, and we can hit redo to redo actions. We can hit bold, we can italicize words, and we can underline them. And we can left align, middle align words, and we can right align words. And we can change the line spacing. So let's do double space here. Now for comments, let's comment on this picture. So we go here, we highlight this picture, we go to comments, and we go down and hit comment off that menu. And let's put a comment that says rectangle. And comment. It'll save the comment to the document, and this comment is for that shape. We also do suggestions with this. So right here we have the pencil, and that's in editing mode. So let's change that to suggesting. We click on that. We can highlight this word, and we don't have to do anything other than type, so let's change it to jolly. So right here it'll say replace this with jolly, and it'll stay there. So let's go back to editing mode. So let's go edit the background. Let's go to File, Page Setup, and we got all these orientation options, paper size, margins, but here we have page color. Let's click on that, and let's put it as a light green and hit OK. And as this is a Google document, it'll say all changes are saved automatically, and we can share this document with other people. So let's go up here to the right hand corner, hit share, and hit advanced settings. And as you can see, it's private. We can change that to public, anyone with a link, or off as it is right now. So we could have it as public, anyone in the world could see it. So down here we can invite people. We can invite, say, our professor down here. We send it to him. We're not going to do that right now, but down here we can do can edit, and anyone with the permission to edit, they can make changes to the document. We also have can comment, and if you have the ability to comment, you can make suggestions by commenting on certain things like what we did earlier. But then there's the can view. If you can only view the document, you can't do anything else. You can only look at it, and that's it. So let's just leave that as can edit, and let's hit cancel, and let's hit done.